JR, come over here. This is JR. He's a good boy. JR. He's one of our diabetic kitties, and he's doing very well. He always acclimates quickly when he comes in, eats right away when I need to give him his medication, so he's doing very well. JR, come over here. Yes. You loving that wall? JR, come here, come to me. Yes. Yes. You're a good baby. You're a good baby. You a good baby? Yes. Oh, you see the other kitties. So don't worry about him. This handsome boy is doing just fine. Here, Jay. JR, hi. Hello. Come over here. Yes, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Are you ready to go out?